Hello everyone, this is Maria and today I'm going to explore blogging on Moodle as a student. So here it goes. First I'm going to go to my course and choose a post from the discussion forums. Let's try things that were posted in the first week. Okay, I went to this discussion and went to my post. So here we have the option to export to portfolio, which is what I want at the moment. I'm not going to export the whole discussion, just this post. So I click on export to portfolio. And again, I'm asked to select destination, which I have already selected. So I will click on the next button. The form is in HTML. Let's leave the heading for now. I have the option to keep it as a draft or public, and I'll choose to edit after export. And then I click on next. Again, I can check if everything I have chosen is okay, and if it is, I press on continue. Portfolio export is complete, so I can return to where I was or continue to my portfolio, which is what I'm going to do. And here it is. I can edit if I want, upload a file, maybe a picture or something, change publishing options. Let's just edit the title. Okay, and save changes. So now it is in my internal blog in Moodle. There it is. I can have it as a draft, but still I can go back and edit, delete. I have the options to change things. I can go here under my name and find my blog entries, and here is it. It is, and I had already tried another one, so I can see both here. Okay. So this is how you can add a blog, an internal blog to Moodle. Thank you for watching.